Welcome to today's video where I'm going to show you how to make a budget and save money as a college student. Creating a budget as a college student can be a bit more challenging than for someone with a steady income, but it is still an important step towards achieving financial stability. Here are some tips for making a budget as a college student. Track your income. This may include any money you receive from scholarships, grants, student loans, or part-time jobs. List your expenses. Make a list of all your fixed and variable expenses, such as tuition, rent, textbooks, food, and entertainment. Prioritize your expenses. Categorize your expenses into needs and wants, and prioritize the needs first. Make a plan to save. Set a goal for how much you want to save each month, and make a plan for how to achieve it. Look for ways to cut costs. Look for ways to reduce your expenses, such as buying used textbooks, finding ways to save on groceries, or cutting back on non-essential entertainment expenses. Be flexible. Be prepared to make adjustments to your budget as your income and expenses change. Use budgeting apps or software. There are various mobile apps or budgeting software that can help you track your income and expenses and give you an overview of where your money is going. Remember, budgeting is not a one-time task, but a continuous process that requires monitoring, updating, and adjusting as necessary. By learning to budget as a college student, you'll have a better chance of achieving your financial goals and a better understanding of how to manage your money in the long term. Thanks for watching our video on college student budgets. And as a fun fact, did you know that the average college student spends around 10,000 rupees per year on textbooks and other paper material alone? So don't forget to budget for those pricey study materials. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks on managing your college finances. See you in our next video.